This video will look at how we can use slide transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I have a PowerPoint open here, and let's say this is our CBA. If we navigate up to the transitions tab up the top here, you'll see there's different options here available for our transitions. So this is how we move from one slide to another. So let's say I use this curtain transition. This is how my PowerPoint is going to open up. If we navigate back up here and look at some other options, if we want to use a transition from the first slide to the second, I would click onto the second slide and go back to my transitions tab, and I would choose another transition here. So I'm going to choose this one. I like how it works. If we want to see where the transitions are active, there's little stars here beside each slide. If we want to change the duration of this, so if we want the transition to last longer, let's say 3 seconds, and we'll test this out here, we can go full screen and we can look at how our presentation looks. So when I navigate from slide 1 to slide 2 or vice versa, that's what my transition looks like, and it lasts roughly 3 seconds. So if we go back to PowerPoint here again, we can see that you can actually add a sound when a transition occurs if you like. You can add the transition to occur after a mouse click, or you can set it to occur after a particular amount of time. So say if you want to have 1 minute on a slide. There's also the option here to apply a transition to all slides in the PowerPoint. So if you just select your transition and then select apply to all, it will apply to all slides. When we look at effect options, that means you can change the direction in which the transition occurs or what it looks like. So that is transitions on the desktop app. Let's have a look at the iPad. If we navigate over here, we can see you've got the same PowerPoint open, but we need to go to the top tab called transitions. Now there's less features here, but we can achieve the same effect if we like. We just go to choose a different transition here. We can choose effect options. So if we click down, we can see that if we use this transition, we can choose for it to come in from the right or the left, and we have the option to preview our transitions there again. So if we click onto the second slide and we press preview, it will preview the transition from one to another. So that's transitions in Microsoft PowerPoint.